Okay, so the last part of the production process that I want to talk about is the portfolio page on the site. So you basically, from the home page, you can navigate to the portfolio site, and you're presented this time. It's a very similar template to the home page, but except the left panels are replaced by these small little square panels, which are basically thumbnails of the designs that I've done. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of space down here. I've got a few more designs to add in, but the thinking behind this was, as I do more and more work, I can fill this up. So it's just basically build up a bigger collection of design work and a better portfolio. These sort of panels are sort of an idea I've seen across a number of sites on the internet. Firstly, on Incognito, which are an design agency, and you can see here that they've used these sort of square panels, a nice little border on them, and spacing between each. Again, on things that are Brown, which is a website of a web designer and developer, and again he's used these nice panels to show his work. I'm just quickly going to talk about how I did this. It was quite an easy process. Basically, as I said, just created little thumbnails in Photoshop. And then in the HTML page for the portfolio page, replace the latest work panels with this table I created. And basically, this table is made up of 3 rows, each row with 5 columns. So 3 rows, 5 columns. And in each column, just put the image, which is a little thumbnail, and also added to that the lightbox script, which does that nice little flash animation I showed you earlier when you click on an image. So that's applied to each of these. And basically, to each image I also added a class, which I touched on earlier, I think, in one of the earlier videos in the CSS page. And this is this class here. So basically what that does is adds a margin right and a margin bottom to the image for 15 pixels. So you can see the margin there and the margin there. And also it adds a border of 10 pixels to the image. And that's about it really. It worked first time, which was good. And that's about it. As I said, I'm just going to wait for more design work to be done, and I can add these in here when I need to do so.